This script just answered 3 date questions simultaneously.
47 days until the next birthday.
The current time in 5 different time zones. And an alert scheduled for exactly 30 minutes from now.
All built into Python. 0 extra install.
I am Mahaz, episode 63. Datetime, the module that handles every date and time task.
By the end of this video, dates will never trip up your code again.
The datetime module gives you 3 main objects. Date stores only the year, month, and day.
Time stores only the hour, minute, second, and microsecond.
Datetime combines both, year through microsecond in one object.
Time delta represents a duration, a gap between 2 moments.
All 4 live inside the datetime module. No pip install. Import datetime and all 4 are available. For ways to create a datetime object.
Datetime.now, the current local date and time. Datetime.today, same as now but without time zone info.
Datetime.know, current time in UTC, no time zone offset. Datetime of year, month, day, hour, minute, a specific moment.
Date.today, just the date, no time component.
You can access year, month, day, hour, minute as attributes. Time delta is how you add and subtract time.
Time delta of days equals 30, a duration of 30 days. Add it to a date time and you get a date time 30 days later.
Subtract 2 date times and you get a time delta automatically.
Deadline minus today gives you the remaining time as a time delta. Time delta supports days, seconds, microseconds, minutes, and hours.
Use .days or .total_seconds to read the result. 2 functions everyone mixes up, strftime and strptime.
Strftime, date time to string. F stands for format. Pass a format string with %codes, %y for year,
%m for month, %d for day, %h for hour.
Strptime, string to date time. P stands for parse. Pass the raw string and the format it matches.
Python converts it back into a usable datetime object.
Strftime outputs. Strptime inputs. Remember which does which. Time zones and the live build are next.
Time zones are where most datetime bugs hide.
63 episodes. Free. Every single one. 1 subscribe keeps the series running.
7 bonus episodes still ahead.
Tap it now. Okay, time zones.
Time zones are the most common source of datetime bugs.
A naive datetime has no time zone info attached.
An aware datetime knows exactly which time zone it represents. Never mix naive and aware datetimes. Python will raise a type error.
Use zoneinfo built into Python 3.9 and above. Zoneinfo of UTC or of America/new_York.
Datetime.now of zoneinfo of UTC, time zone aware, safe.
Always store timestamps in UTC. Convert to local only for display.
ScheduleBot calculates deadlines, countdown, and alerts.
Step 1. Get today's date with date.today. Step 2. Define the deadline as a datetime object. Step 3. Subtract today from deadline to get remaining time delta.
Step 4. Format the deadline as a readable string with strftime.
Step 5. Calculate the 30-minute alert time with time delta. Step 6. Convert everything to UTC for safe storage.
Print the countdown. Print the alert time. Schedule it.
3 mistakes that corrupt date logic in production.
Mistake 1. Comparing naive and aware datetimes.
Python raises a type error. Always make both aware before comparing.
Mistake 2. Wrong %code in strftime.
%y is for digit year. %y is 2-digit. %m is month. %m is minutes. Easy to swap.
Mistake 3. Using UCNO without a time zone.
Datetime.UCNO returns a naive UTC datetime.
Use datetime.now of timezone.utc instead for aware UTC.
Your challenge.
Step 1. Calculate how many days until your next birthday.
Step 2. Print today's date formatted as day, month name, year. Step 3. Calculate what date it will be in 100 days.
Step 4. Parse the string 2025-12-25 into a date time.
Step 5. Print the current time in 3 different time zones. Reply with the number of days until your birthday.
I check every comment.
Let us recap what you learned today.
Datetime, the built-in module for all date and time work.
Date, time, datetime, timedelta, the 4 core objects.
Datetime.now, current local time. UKNO, current UTC.
Timedelta, add or subtract any duration from a date time.
Strftime, date time to formatted string.
Strptime, parse a string back into a date time.
Zoneinfo, time zone aware date times, built into Python 3.9.
Always store in UTC. Convert to local only for display.
Next episode, logging and debugging in Python.
Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Date time, unlocked.
Dates, times, time zones, parsing, formatting all covered.
Your code will never get a date wrong again.
Next, episode 64, logging and debugging in Python. Subscribe. Leave your birthday countdown in the comments.
I am Mahaz. See you in episode 64.